Good afternoon on this absolutely beautiful Friday in Taunton, and you join me outside the Taunton Castle. Nice little area, right smack bang in the middle of town. A few pubs and bits and pieces around, and the Taunton Castle is actually the museum, Somerset Museum. There's lots of very cool things in there, free entry as well. So it's Friday, it means fun day, it means home time, it means weekend. Also makes an excellent skate park apparently. So it's Friday, thought we'd do another one of these episodes. So we say farewell to the museum and we'll go past the Mega Bingo and head through town. And here we are in town. So hopefully I'll get this out tonight on a Friday night. Now the big issue I get is there's just terrible internet connection, and once you've edited together a high quality video, it takes a while to update or upload even. My last video actually did in 4K, so I'm not going to bother doing that this time around. It's far too big. Okay, so this is coming through Taunton. Now that place over there is actually going to become a car museum, so that'll be interesting. The old county stores. I'm not sure how well that's going to work, but we'll see. Be awesome. Something a bit different. So I'm also running a competition for a t-shirt which ends tomorrow, and if this is Saturday that I publish this, then it's today. So I'm hoping that I get this out tonight, but we'll see. It's just Friday, it just feels so good. Fridays always feel good for me. I don't know whether to talk about life in general. Should we talk about life in general? Maybe we should. I mean, we're all struggling with prices of everything from petrol to energy prices. I literally do not know what to do about it. Tried everything. I've even looking at getting solar panels, but I can't afford to buy solar panels outright, so I don't know how that's going to work. Maybe I should learn quantum fusion and make my own quantum fusion plant. Reminds me of the old 80s program Quantum Leap. Which is, I've been watching a bit on, I think it's a Sci-Fi channel, and I remember my mum used to watch it loads, and I'm sitting there watching it, they're going, oh yeah, I remember this. Amazing. God, it's lovely weather. Isn't it just lovely, beautiful weather today? Apparently we're in for a mini heat wave, which in the UK means anything over about 20 degrees. I want this to be like, yeah, I want to talk about stuff, but I don't want to talk about, what can I talk about? I don't want to be too doom and gloom. bike. But it's only a short commute, this one. Normally I go a long way, but I just can't bother tonight. I just want to get home, I want to get the kettle on. Enjoy the evening. Now, my wife, who's not worked for about 8 years, we've been able to do that. We've been lucky enough not to have to do that, but we don't live an extravagant life. We've got the bike and the car. We don't really get to go on holiday that much. We might do the odd occasional weekend here and there, but it may sound old-fashioned, but I think that the kids have really benefited from their mum being at home. Either way, either parent, but it's just been that I've been the one that's had the job, and that's the way it's always been. And my wife, she chose that. It wasn't something that I made her do. She wanted to do that, and she was happy doing that. And now the kids are at school, the time has come for her to find work. So at the moment she's just doing a few evenings, which she seems to be enjoying quite a lot at the moment, and it seems to be working okay. It's early days yet. We're both very tired because we're a bit of a team. She does better on her own with the kids than I do, if I'm honest. Much better than me. I just get frustrated and impatient. I think we all do. Although the last few nights I've done a fair few nights with him, and it's been great. I love it actually, and I don't know. I think kids pay off of each parent. Yeah, look at this, bit cloudy, but it's really warm. Perfect bike weather, really. Not scorching. There he was going. God, so traffic tonight, won't you? It's a Friday. It's a Friday. Yeah. Anyway guys, I think that's about it for today. Bit of a short one, I'm afraid, but still, it's a video, it's out there. If this is your first time viewing the channel, please give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe. Really appreciate it. Honestly, I'm blown away by the fact that I've got over 1,100 subscribers. I never thought I'd get there, but hey, we have, and it's amazing. So yeah, give us a subscribe. Go and check out my other videos. There's all stuff about the bike and bits and pieces and days out on the bike and stuff like that. There will be more coming up shortly. If you like listening to me rambling on, I'm going to try and do this every Friday. Now, if it's going to be a bit like today, where I just can't think of anything to talk about, maybe I won't put it out there every Friday. We'll see. We'll call it Friday Fun Day because it is Friday. Fridays are generally fun because it's the end of the week. I do appreciate that people work on a Saturday as well, but for me it's the end of my working week, and it feels amazing every single Friday. So anyway, I'm going to repeat myself again. Get subscribing, give me a thumbs up. If you're feeling really generous, there's a little super thanks button. It all absolutely helps. It helps with the channel. So anyway, I'll see you next time, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Laters. Is that way? Wait, that way? That way? Don't know. Anyway, bye.